Hello and welcome to Web3 Diaries. I am your host Vishakha Thakur.
Hello, I'm your host Roshni Shingre, giving your daily dose of news snippets from the Web3 universe.
Hello, I'm your host Shikha Singh. Let's have a look at the news for today. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has resumed Bitcoin withdrawals on Monday after halting it for the second time in a day, citing large volumes. Pending transactions are being processed by replacing them with higher transaction fees, the company said in a tweet. There is a large volume of withdrawal transactions from Binance still pending, as a set fees did not anticipate the recent surge in Bitcoin network gas fees. Binance had tweeted earlier, referring to payments made to crypto miners who process transactions on the blockchain. In March, Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, suspended deposits and withdrawals, citing tech issues. Bitcoin was down about 1% to $28,191, its lowest since nearly a week. Earlier in the day, Binance temporarily paused withdrawals of Bitcoin for the second time in less than 12 hours, citing congestion on the token's network. We have temporarily closed Bitcoin withdrawals due to the large volume of pending transactions. Our team is currently working on a fix and will reopen Bitcoin withdrawals as soon as possible. Rest assured, funds are safe, Binance said on Twitter. The platform took a similar action for about 90 minutes on Sunday. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange on March suspended deposits and withdrawals on its platform due to technical issues that affected spot trading. Over to you, Vishakha.
After waiting for the Shanghai update, Ethereum stakers may now make withdrawals. Since the staking option was initially unveiled in December 2020, several people had been holding out in anticipation. The fact that Kraken's US staking clients seem to have been more or less drained from the system is perhaps the most significant revelation made by the event. This is because the cryptocurrency exchange was hit with regulatory action in February, leading it to pay a $30 million settlement to the SEC and end its staking activities for US customers. Coinbase has the most staked deposits with over 55,000 ETH ready to be withdrawn. The second most significant finding is that more addresses are depositing Ethereum than are withdrawing it. This means that the net quantity of Ethereum being staked is positive. At today's values, it works out to around $189 million USD or 97,586 ETH. This indicates that there is still a lot of enthusiasm for staking using Ethereum and earning an additional payout in ETH. Some market watchers see this as positive for the asset since fewer Ethereum will be traded on the open market after it is fully locked up for staking purposes. Finally, the improvement is continuing to be a tremendous boost for Lido Finance, the market leader in liquid staking. Nansen claims that 6 million Ethereum staked by Lido constitutes 79% of whole market of organizations tracked. Coinbase comes in second position, capturing 15% of the market. Ethereum price today is $1,911.33 with a 24-hour trading volume of $6,708,512,867. Ethereum is up 1.38% in the last 24 hours. Over to you, Roshni.
Last month, Russia's relatively tiny digital financial asset market witnessed 7 placements totaling roughly 1 billion rubles. Experts believe big initiatives may be anticipated by the end of the year. In Russia, DFS are defined under the new legislations on digital financial assets that took effect at the beginning of 2021. This represents digital rights to securities or utility tokens and need an issuing body in contrast to decentralized cryptocurrencies which have yet to be properly regulated. Sberbank, Russia's biggest bank and largely state-owned, sold the most DFS in April, followed by Alfa Bank, Russia's largest private bank. Atomize, which focuses on the tokenization of commodities, the fintech startup Lighthouse, and the more recently licensed MasterChain are all operators of DFA platform allowed by the Bank of Russia. Placements reached a total of 2 billion rubles in March, less than a year after the central bank-approved organizations began issuing DFAs. Most experts surveyed by Commerzbank remains cautious despite the dramatic gain the next month. According to Roman Nekrasov, co-founder of Incry Foundation, which represent Russian IT enterprises, current methods such as corporate bonds may be used to generate funds. Moscow's invasion of neighboring Ukraine resulted in unprecedented Western sanctions that significantly limited Russia's ability to access global financial markets. Russian authorities have been making moves to increase the usage of digital assets, such as allowing crypto payments in international commerce and creating a digital ruble in an attempt to lessen the impact of the sanctions. So that's all in today's Web3 Diaries. For more such updates, watch 3.TV. Thanks for watching.